pickle or cucumber maybe, patty, and the bun itself. It's also, inside of it is a shaving cream texture. Yeah, ayoko na siyang alisin sa plastic. Pero, yeah, it's also satisfying to play with. Nakakagigil. I'll rate this 9 out of 10. Next, we have on our list the slice of bread squishy. This one's so cute. Shaving cream din siya inside. Yeah, you can hear the sound of it as you squeeze it. Very squishy talaga. Yan. And the smell, wow. This one is scented, just like the chocolate bar. It doesn't smell like bread, pero it has a sweet scent on it. So yeah, I'll rate this 9 out of 10. And then next on our list is this one. It's a squeaking hammer. It's not really a squishy, however, this is one of the coolest thing I've ever had. And ang cute kasi nung ginagawa niya squeaking sounds. So yeah, I also consider this one as a good item for me. Yeah, I'll rate this 10 out of 10. Next, we have another squishy. This one is, guess what? It's a popping squirrel squishy inside a tree trunk. Yan. A squirrel suddenly pops out of it when you squeeze it. You see, satisfying din siya. And the squirrel is so cute. Look! Yan. Super cute, super cool, super fun to play with. 10 out of 10. And another one. Paubos ng ating jar. The Pinapod. You see? This is my tiniest squishy toy ever. It's a Pinapod. You can see green peas popping out as you squeeze it. And look, they're so cute. Pwede rin siyang gawing keychain or bag charms. Diba? It's so satisfying to play with, and I'll rate this 9 out of 10. Okay? And last but not least, we have dumpling. I broke